Welcome back to Worthington Model Railway. This just arrived, and I thought we'd just do a quick unboxing and take a look at it. As part of my recent quest to find restaurant buffet cars, particularly ones with kitchens, I found this and I pre-ordered it. I think it's a new release from Hornby. I'm looking on the website, and as you will see here, they have a picture of the prototype. Not too much other information. I don't see it in the catalog, but as I had to do a pre-order on it, and I did pre-order it a few weeks ago, I'm thinking it's relatively new, but if somebody wants to tell me it's not, that's fine. Anyway, let's open it up and have a look. So this is what it is. It's R4972. It's a British Rail Mark 1 restaurant buffet coach, and there's some information on the website, so we'll talk about that in a second. So according to the website, there were 3 prototype catering vehicles that were built on Mark 1s, and this was 1957 to 62. And this particular one is the restaurant buffet, or RB. It says the RB kept the same kitchen, staff area, and seating type as the other 2 vehicles, but by sacrificing 10 seats, the pantry was extended and a new service counter was introduced for the serving of light refreshments. Propane gas units were introduced for gas cooking. This meant reducing the reliance on electric power, which allowed for a smaller dynamo and battery. Access to the water tanks was also improved, along with door access for the catering staff. The single 240 doors being replaced with a door and a third arrangement that offered a second, 9 wide door alongside the main door. The prototypes were a success, and 128 vehicles were ordered, but in 4 lots. Okay, so let's just have a quick look at what we see here. At this end, obviously, we have the seating, and this is the kitchen end of the car. Lots of really nice details here on the battery boxes and the different components on the underside. Particularly like the detail on the bogies, the springs and everything else. The bogies are very nice. Has nice metal wheels. Again, the printing is what we expect. On the back side here, there's a door that says kitchen, and obviously the windows are all covered up so we can't see in. S1765 is the number on it. Detail on the roof, obviously the vents from the kitchen on this end and plain at that end. Not much on the ends to go on, but that's pretty much it. I mean, I think it's a nice addition. I did think that I would pull out another Mark 1 restaurant car I have that's a Bachmann. The only thing is, when I pulled it out, it's very different. It's a very different design. I mean, this is really just a buffet. It doesn't have the kitchen. It does have the counter. I don't know if you can see that in there, but in the back there's the counter. And has an area here behind the counter that's closed off. But this is obviously a different design. Bogies are very different. Underneath, the detail there is different. But it's always interesting just to look and see. Now, one of the things, Bachmann have all these pipes and things here that have been applied on the roof. This is detail we just do not have on the Hornby side of things here. From the point of view of the printing on the windows and what have you, I mean, there's very little difference between the 2. They're both nicely done. But I just thought it was interesting to look. If we look on the ends as well, there's just a little bit more detail on the ends from the Bachmann coaches than there is on the Hornby ones. But all in all, nice addition. We will run it in a rake of Mk1 coaches and see what it looks like. As always, thank you for watching. A quick little video there. I hope you enjoyed looking at this. More to come. Sorry I haven't posted much recently. I've had a lot of things going on. But if you like, please press the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe with the button to the top right, another video to the top left.